everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 434 Hoagland Road. This is a great little property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1279 square feet. Sits on this great corner lot here. You have a covered carport. You have this 31 by 12 workshop area here as well. Let's go take a look around. I want to thank you for taking this tour of 434 Hoagland. Again, great little property, sits on this great corner lot, 3-bedroom, 2 baths, 1279 square feet. Exterior's been done, the roof was just recoated, a lot of the deferred maintenance has already been done. You have this 31 by 12 workshop area, storage area. Just a great property. Give me a call. Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinlascruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.